Hello and welcome to this session on artificial intelligence. We shall start with an introduction to the area of artificial intelligence. In short, artificial intelligence is known as AI. It is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning and self-correction. Particular application of AI includes expert system, speech recognition and machine vision. AI can be categorized as either a weak or strong. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, is an AI system that is designed and trained for a particular task. Virtual personal assistants such as Apple Siri are a form of weak AI. Strong AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, is an AI system with generalized human cognitive abilities. When presented with an unfamiliar task, a strong AI system is able to find a solution without human intervention. Because of hardware, software and staffing cost for AI can be expensive. Many vendors are including AI components in their standard offerings as well as access to artificial intelligence as a service platforms. AI as a service allows individuals and companies to experiment with AI for various business purposes and sample multiple platforms before making a commitment. Popular AI cloud offerings include Amazon AI Services, IBM Watson Assistant, Microsoft Cognitive Services and Google AI Services. While AI tools present a range of new functionality for businesses, the use of artificial intelligence raises ethical questions. This is because deep learning algorithms, which underpin many of the most advanced AI tools, are only as smart as the data they are given in training. Because a human selects the data should be used for training an AI program, the potential for human bias is inherent and must be monitored closely. Some industry experts believe that the term artificial intelligence is too closely linked to popular culture, causing the general public to have unrealistic fears about artificial intelligence and improbable expectations about how it will change the workplace and life in general. Researchers and marketers hope the label augmented intelligence, which has a more neutral connotation, which will help people understand that artificial intelligence will simply improve products and services, not replace the humans that use them. Now we shall go through different types of artificial intelligence. Aaron Hintze categorizes artificial intelligence into 4 types, from the kind of AI systems that exist today to sentient systems which do not yet exist. His categories are as follows. In the type 1 category, reactive machines, an example is Deep Blue, the IBM chess program that beat Garry Kasparov in the 1990s. Deep Blue can identify pieces on the chessboard and make predictions, but it has no memory and cannot use past experiences to inform future ones. It analyzes possible moves and chooses the most strategic move. Deep Blue and Google's AlphaGo were designed for narrow purposes and cannot easily be applied to another situation. In the type 2 category, limited memory. These AI systems can use past experiences to inform future decisions. Some of the decision making function is in self-driving cars are designed this way. Observation inform actions happening in the not so distant future, such as a car changing lanes. These observations are not stored permanently. In the type 3 category, the theory of mind. This psychology term refers to the understanding that others have their own beliefs, desires and intentions that impact the decisions they make. This kind of AI does not yet exist. And in the type 4 category, self-awareness. In this category, AI systems have a sense of self, have consciousness. Machines with self-awareness understand their current state and can use the information to infer what others are feeling. This type of AI does not yet exist. Now we shall go through the artificial intelligence in education. For decades, science fiction authors, futurists and movie makers alike have been predicting the amazing changes that will arise with the advent of widespread artificial intelligence. So far, AI has not made any such crazy waves and in many ways has quietly become ubiquitous in numerous aspects of our daily lives. From the intelligent sensors that help us take perfect pictures to the automatic parking features in cars to the sometimes frustrating personal assistant in smartphones, artificial intelligence of one kind or another is all around us all the time. While we may not see humanoid robotics acting as teachers within the next decade, there are many projects already in the work that use computer intelligence to help students and teachers get more out of the educational experience. Let us discuss a few on the ways those tools and those that will follow them will shape and define the educational experience of the future. Artificial intelligence can automate basic activities in education like grading. In college, grading homework and tests for large lecture courses can be tedious work. Even in lower grades, teachers often find that grading takes up a significant amount of time that could be used to interact with students, prepare for classes or work on professional development. While AI may not ever be able to truly replace human grading, it is getting pretty close. It is now possible for teachers to automate grading for nearly all kinds of multiple choice and fill in the blank testing, and automated grading of student writing may not be far behind. Today, essay grading software is still in its infancy and not quite up to par. Yet it can improve over the coming years, allowing teachers to focus more on in-class activities and student interaction than grading. Educational software can be adapted to student needs. From the kindergarten to graduate school, one of the key ways of artificial intelligence will impact education is through the application of greater levels of individualized learning. Some of this is already happening through growing number of adaptive learning programs, games and software. These systems respond to the needs of the student, putting greater emphasis on certain topics, repeating things that students have to not mastered, and generally helping students to work at their own pace, whatever that may be. This kind of custom tailored education could be a machine assisted solution to helping students at different levels work together in one classroom, with teachers facilitating the learning and offering help and support when in need. Adaptive learning has already had a huge impact on education across the nation, especially through programs like Khan Academy. And as AI advances in the coming decades, adaptive programs like these will likely only improve and expand. It can point out places where courses need to improve. Teachers may not always be aware of gaps in their lectures and educational materials that can leave students confused about certain concepts. Artificial intelligence offers a way to solve that problem. Coursera, a massive open online course provider, is already putting this into the practice. When a large number of students are found to submit the wrong answer to a homework assignment, the system alerts the teacher and gives future students a customized message that offers hints to the correct answer. This type of system helps to fill in the gaps in explanation that can occur in courses and helps to ensure that all students are building the same conceptual foundation. Rather than waiting to hear back from the professor, students get immediate feedback that helps them to understand a concept and remember how to do it correctly the next time around. Students could get additional support from AI tutors. While there are obviously things that human tutors can offer that machines cannot, at least not yet, The future could see more students being tutored by tutors that only exist in zeros and ones. Some tutoring programs based on artificial intelligence already exist and can help students through basic mathematics, writing and other subjects. These programs can teach students fundamentals, but so far are not ideal for helping students learn high order thinking and creativity, something that real world teachers are still required to facilitate. Yet that should not rule out the possibility of AI tutors being able to do these things in the future. With the rapid pace of technological advancement that has marked the past few decades, advanced tutoring system may not be a pipe dream. AI driven programs can give students and educators helpful feedback. AI cannot only help teachers and students to craft courses that are customized to their needs, but it can also provide feedback to both about the success of the course as a whole. Some schools, especially those with online offerings, are using AI systems to monitor student progress and to alert professors when there might be an issue with student performance. These kinds of AI systems allow students to get the support they need and for professors to find areas where they can improve instruction for students who may struggle with the subject matter. AI programs at this school are not just offering advice on individual courses. However, some are working to develop systems that can help students to choose majors based on areas where they succeed and struggle. While students do not have to take the advice, it could mark a brave new world of college major selection for future students. It is altering how we find and interact with information. We rarely even notice the AI systems that affect the information we see and find on a daily basis. Google adapts results to users based on location. Amazon makes recommendation based on previous purchases. Siri adapts to your needs and commands. And nearly all web ads are geared toward your interests and shopping preferences. These kind of intelligence systems play a big role in how we interact with the information in our personal and professional lives, and could just change how we find and use information in schools and academia as well. Over the past few decades, AI based systems have already radically changed how we interact with the information, and with the newer, more integrated technology, students in the future may have vastly different experiences doing research and looking up facts than the students of today. It could change the role of teachers. There will always be a role for teachers in education, but what that role is and what it entails may change due to new technology in the form of intelligent computing system. As we have already discussed, AI can take over tasks like grading, can help students improve learning, and may even be a substitute for real world tutoring. Yet AI could be adapted to many other aspects of teaching as well. AI system could be programmed to provide expertise, serving as a place for students to ask questions and find information, or could even potentially take the place of teachers for every basic course materials. In most cases, however, AI will shift the role of the teachers to that of facilitator. Teachers will supplement AI lessons, assist to students who are struggling, and provide human interaction and hands-on experiences for students. In many ways, technology is already driving some of these changes in the classroom, especially in schools that are online or embrace the flipped classroom model. AI can make a trial and error learning less intimidating. Trial and error is a critical part of learning, but for many students, the idea of failing or even not knowing the answer is paralyzing. Some simply do not like being put on spot in front of their peers or authority figures like a teachers. An intelligent computer system designed to help students to learn is a much less daunting way to deal with the trial and error. Artificial intelligence could offer students a way to experiment and learn in a relatively judgment-free environment, especially when AI tutors can offer solutions for improvement. In fact, AI is the perfect format for supporting this kind of learning, as AI systems themselves often learn by a trial and error method. The data powered by AI can change how schools find, teach and support students. Smart data gathering powered by intelligent computer system is already making changes to how colleges and interact with the prospective and current students. From recruiting to helping students choose the best courses, intelligent computer systems are helping making every part of the college experience more closely tailored to student needs and goals. Data mining systems are already playing an integral role in today's higher education landscape, but artificial intelligence could further after higher education. Initiatives are already underway at some schools to offer students AI guided training that can ease the transition between college and high school. Who knows but that the college selection process may end up a lot like Amazon or Netflix, with a system that recommends the best school and programs for student interests. AI may change where students learn, who teaches them and how they acquire basic skill. While major changes may still be a few decades in the future, the reality is that artificial intelligence has the potential to radically change just about everything we take for granted about education. Using AI system, software and support, students can learn from anywhere in the world at any time. And with these kind of programs taking the place of certain types of classroom instruction, AI may just replace teachers in some instances. Educational programs powered by AI are already helping students to learn basic skills. But as these programs grow and as developers learn more, they will likely to offer students a much wider range of services. Now we shall go through teacher and artificial intelligence collaboration. While the debate regarding how much screen time is appropriate for children on among educators, psychologists and parents, it is another emerging technology in the form of artificial intelligence and machine learning that is beginning to alter education tools and institutions and changing what the future might look like in education. Even though most experts believe the critical presence of teachers is irreplaceable, there will be many changes to a teacher's job and to educational best practices. AI has already been applied to education primarily in some tools that help develop skills and testing systems. As AI educational solutions continue to mature, the hope is that AI can help fill needs gaps in learning and teaching and allow schools and teachers to do more than ever before. AI can drive efficiency, personalization and streamline admin tasks to allow teachers the time and freedom to provide understanding and adaptability, uniquely human capability where machines would struggle. By leveraging the best attributes of machines and teachers, the vision for AI in education is one where they work together for the best outcome for students. Since the students of today will need to work in a future where AI is the reality, it is important that our educational institutions expose students to and use the technology. Now we shall go through differentiated and individualized learning. Adjusting learning based on an individual student's particular needs has been a priority for educators for years, but AI will allow a level of differentiation that's impossible for teachers who have to manage 30 students in each class. There are several companies such as Content Technologies and Kearney Learning currently developing intelligent instruction design and digital platform that use AI to provide learning, testing and feedbacks to students from pre-K to college level that gives them the challenges they are ready for, identifies gaps in knowledge and redirects to new topics when appropriate. As AI gets more sophisticated, it might be possible for a machine to read the expression that passes on a student's face that indicates they are struggling to grasp a subject and will modify a lesson to respond to that. The idea of customizing curriculum for every student's needs is not viable today, but it will be more for AI powered machines. Universal access for all students. Artificial intelligence tools can help make global classrooms available to all, including those who speak different languages or who might have visual or hearing impairments. Presentation Translator is a free plug-in for PowerPoint that creates subtitles in real time for what the teacher is saying. This also opens up possibilities for students who might not be able to attend school due to illness or who require learning at a different level on a particular subject that is not available in their own school. Automate admin tasks. An educator spends a tremendous amount of time grading homework and tests. AI can step in and make quick work out of these tasks while at the same time offering recommendations for how to close the gaps in learning. Although machines can already grade multiple choice tests, they are very close to being able to assess written responses as well. As AI steps into automate admin tasks, it opens up more time for teachers to spend with each student. There is much potential for AI to create more efficient enrollment and admissions processes. Tutoring and support outside the classroom. Ask any parent who has struggled to help their teenager with algebra, and they will be very excited about the potential of AI to support their children when they are struggling at home with the homework or test preparations. Tutoring and studying programs are becoming more advanced thanks to artificial intelligence, and soon they will be more available and able to respond to a range of learning styles. There are many more AI applications for education that are being developed, including AI mentors for learners, for the development of smart content, and a new method of personal development for educators through virtual global conferences. Education might be a bit slower to the adoption of artificial intelligence and machine learning, but the changes are beginning and will continue. Let us summarize what we have discussed so far. Artificial intelligence can significantly impact the future of our education. There are various technology providers that are introducing AI products to enhance new age learning. Evolving our educational structure typically starts from the private sector, but new innovations are seeping into the key school district within states as well. Artificial intelligence is now a part of our normal lives. We are surrounded by this technology, from automatic parking systems, smart sensors for taking spectacular photos, and personal assistants. Similarly, artificial intelligence in education is being felt, and the traditional methods are changing drastically. The academic world is becoming more convenient and personalized thanks to the numerous applications of AI for education. This has changed the way people learn, since educational materials are becoming accessible to all through smart devices and computers. Today, students do not need to attend physical classes to study as long as they have computers and internet connection. AI is also allowing the automation of administrative tasks, allowing institutions to minimize the time required to complete difficult tasks so that the educators can spend more time with students. Thank you for watching this program. Have a nice day.